We're right here, bro. We missed the turn.
Well, no, we can either cut down here or look. We can still go up here and cut over.
Drone recovery. In a 4-wheel Jeep.
We have to get it down there, bro. We're not ready. So, we gotta turn.
You better be facing straight fucking up.
This is where, well, over there is where Lester lost his 6-inch Long Ranger quad. And we got up here with the, whoa, with that 4-wheel. That was pretty fun. But I don't recommend texting, typing while you're in going up a trail like this. I was trying to type a message to Jubal and it renamed it to Dubois. Hey, Dubois. Anyways, look how high up we are, man. This is what we were long ranging with our quads from down there. See that retention basin? That's where we were yesterday. We were flying all the way up here. So we found Lester's quad. Rodney had a feeling it was in this crevice right behind me. So I took my Mavic up and just confirmed it. And that's where they are right now, if you can see them. So they're trying to find the GoPro right now. Man, Rodney in that spot right there is just, man, it's making me nervous as hell, dude. I don't feel comfortable. He doesn't have any safety lines and he's right there. And if he falls, that's a sheer drop. And then he's going to be rolled. I should have brought some safety harnesses, man. Anyways, at least we found the quad.